Okay, so I just mentioned I like Twitter, the put position for a day trade. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So Twitter likes to go up, fairly sharp move up. It's gone up over just over $1 today, which is a fairly big move for Twitter, and it likes to pull back fairly quick. So look at that, you got a red candle, you got a high a day, and it's maybe showing some weakness. It's a great entry point. So if you buy the 32 strike puts, that's right here between the bid and the ask it, and you paid 65 cents for them. Write down 65 cents just so I can show you what I'm saying here. And let's watch this stock pull back at least 20 cents or so. If it doesn't pull back 20 cents, we can enter the trade with more contracts and get a discount on those, and we'll look for a different goal price to exit. It's looking fairly strong right now. That's okay. So I'm going to check back in a few minutes on that. While we're waiting, here is the Visualize tab, which is actually pretty awesome. I've picked a lot of trades out of this screen and found some really big winners. I made over $40,000 on Walmart simply because I found it on this screen. It was a dark green color, so something big was happening. You know, it was up for the day. So what I did was I went over to charts, I typed in Walmart, ticker WMT, and it was breaking out like crazy. And I could tell this thing was going to keep moving, so I bought calls. I put, I want to say, right around 15,000 in, and not very long after, it was over 50 grand worth of value total. So that screening is very helpful. I've shared this a few times, and some of you already know this, but you can just hover over these darker greens or these bright reds, and you can go ahead and look at the stock from that perspective. It's just a nice watch list in a different form. So let's look at TEVA. It's really red right now. You could say, what's going on here? It's a big move. Well, there you are. You have quite a bit of decline in the stock price. Not too far from where it was, but you look for opportunities there, or you go on to the next one. ATVI. Okay. Just reported their earnings, so you're going to see a lot of earnings on that off that screen, and that's okay. Actually, the Walmart breakout I had was the same scenario. It was breaking out at $95 or so, and I rode calls all the way up to like $99.50 or close to it. This was about, I think, just over a year ago, but that's one of the better examples, so I still talk about it. Anyways, so Twitter's going to do its thing. I'll pause the video and check back, and we'll see if we can get this target that I was hoping for, or if we have to add more shares. Okay, so coming back here and looking at Twitter again, it has gone up again, so we're going to get something a little bit less expensive because it has gone against us. So let's go ahead and look at the options chain. Looks like those 65-cent ones are now 56 cents. I'm going to pick up some more of those, and let's just, for the sake of teaching, assume I pick up more, and I'm setting up the order right now, and I put in the order. Now they're a little more expensive. Let's just say I pay 59 cents right at the midpoint. So we got them for 65 cents, and we got them for 59 cents. Okay? This is where it's important that you understand Oh, yeah, look at that. You have to understand that you can't just enter a day trade like this one time and expect to always be right and catch the top. Give yourself some room. I say this a lot, but there's a lot of traders that just jump in once and get crushed, and then they, you know, quit stock trading forever. So hopefully that makes sense. As you can see, that uptrend has been broken again. It usually doesn't go above the high a day all that much when it does. And what I'm going to do now is pause again and come back and see if we've made some money in, 15 to 30 minutes. I'm going to pause it right now. Okay, great. We're heading right down to that goal right now. It's only been a few extra minutes since I last paused the video, and we're coming down towards the VWAP, volume weighted average price. And we have purchased, in this example, 65 cents puts and 59-cent puts. So suppose we purchase 10 and then another 10. Our average price is 62 cents. So let's go and sell it right now. It's just getting a green candle anyways. And this is just an example. So take the midpoint here and basically confirm and send. Okay, and just pretend that we sold it right there at 75 cents or 74 cents. Okay, so 74 cents sold, 62-cent average. That's a 19% profit right there, and it's continuing. So that's really cool. Hope everyone was able to understand this lesson. And remember, if you agree with this strategy, you can leave room to add more contracts. If you're wrong, just don't throw good money after bad and add 5 times, because at some point, some stocks are just stubborn. Anyways, hope everyone's trading green, and hey, I'm right here if you have questions. Thanks.